Hi, today we will discuss about IPL team Mumbai Indians which were not doing very well this year. Mumbai Indian team was most craziest franchisee from the beginning of IPL apart from Chennai Super Kings. Unfortunately, this time they went all wrong in their action and they could not make a great team which they were doing all these years. I don't know where they failed to calculate and get good players. Their biggest weakness is not having strike bowlers. In T20s, we need to have all five strike bowlers or at least economical bowlers with balance of strike bowlers. Mumbai Indian gone totally wrong, only having Bumrah as their strike bowler. When four of the five bowlers are not good enough, the fifth bowler will also drop down and cannot really show whatever he can. This is where Mumbai Indians lost 2022 IPL tournament and they could not really win a game after completing 6 games. I think it is very difficult them to back or even produce some good results. Most probably they will end up in last 2 or 3 teams. The selection process, Mumbai Indian has taken one Singapore player, Mr. Tim David, who was never had any great tournaments except something recently he produced in one of the countries. So how can one contribute 8 crores or so and cannot play him for entire tournament? And also Jofra Archer, who is one of the best in the business, but he's prone to a lot of injuries. We most of the people know he will not be available for entire season of 2022, but he was picked in the team by paying more than 8 crores. When you spend so much of amounts and do not have a balance, it is always a difficulty. With these two players which fetched around 16 crores, Mumbai Indians might have at least 4 to 5 very good economical and strike bowlers if they plan properly. India is supposed to have very great spinners throughout the cricketing history, but Mumbai Indians never get a good spinner. This is only because they never plan for a spinner. We need to have at least 3 good spinners and 4 very good fast bowlers and 2 to 3 good all-rounders. Whatever all-rounders they picked, they were totally gone against expectations and they never performed the way they want. So how Mumbai Indians will change its strategy and get some exchanges or new players for 2022 and 23? Sorry, it is for 2023 and 24. Is it possible if the rules help them to get some new players because their purse is already spent? I don't know if Jofra Archer is injured. Can they get a temporary player for 2022 with the same amount? Because it is totally known that he is not playing most probably entire season of 2022. Or otherwise, why spend 8 lakhs and take a chance of losing entire season and entire tournament without doing any effective impact? See, with 2 strike bowlers in 2023, that is Bumrah and Jofra Archer, Mumbai Indians could not go any bigger. The reason is, if you have three weak links, any team cannot really stop competitors scoring big. So it is always a big challenge for next 3 years for Mumbai Indians to do very well. But I don't know logistics and how they can exchange people or try for new people. There are so many people of late coming from India with speeding 150 kilometers or more. If we can pick those kind of players who are uncapped or who are really economical and coming into the stage presently, they should pick that kind of players and they should have that economics, and also they will come at a best price with a lot of potential and speed. Speed always will provide good results. Apart from that, there will be so many great spinners coming up and already existing in Indian cricketing circle. We can also look into Bangladesh, Australia, and also some other countries where there should be some good spinners. Unfortunately, in the history, Mumbai Indians never depended on spinners, but most of the teams which have in the tournament already performing exceptionally well, and especially two new entrants. Except Mumbai Indians, everybody has got reasonably good balance. Initially, it was felt Hyderabad Sunrisers are not doing well, and Chennai Super Kings has got different team. But now they are picking up, and especially Sunrisers did outstanding in last four matches and came back into competition. I think the the two super gains, one is Chennai and other one is Mumbai, are not going to do, are not going to go anywhere in this competition, and I feel both the teams will not qualify for last four. I can see some lacuna in overall planning. As a lover of Mumbai Indians and a fan of Rohit Sharma, I feel Rohit Sharma, who is out of form, can give opening slot to some big hitters like Tim David or Tilak Verma, who they can produce big scores and also give better chance in batting to Kiran Pollard. I also feel Pollard should be used as a sixth bowler more often so that he will be a big asset for team, and if he does something good in bat or ball, he will have more confidence to give something back. Every time a batsman come after 16 17 overs, it is very difficult to score runs unless until he have a big score behind his earlier matches. That is where Pollard is becoming very ineffective. I feel only two good pickups are Brady and Tilak Verma. They are really outstanding apart from Suryakumar Yadav. I feel Ishan Kishan is a good player, but in whatever team, whoever spent more than 10 crores, I don't think they can repay that value. Cricket is a team game, and one player, if he is fetching 15 crores and two, three players are fetching around 45 crores out of total purse, that team never have great balance. If they experiment like Mumbai Indians, they come up very good and successful in their strategies all through IPL. But unfortunately, this time around, they flapped so much and their strategy gone so wrong. A cricket lover can feel they are very bad and they cannot really do any good in 2022. It was the feeling inside from most of Mumbai Indian lovers, and it came really true and a nightmare to all the Mumbai Indian supporters. I feel whatever option the greatest team in IPL have should look into and try to get at least five strike bowlers. Maybe there are two spinners or three spinners and two good fast bowlers who should be effective in taking wickets or very much economical in restricting other teams. Once you have few strike bowlers and economical bowlers, then only your team will go with confidence. Rohit Sharma, undoubtedly a great skipper, he proved again and again for IPL and Indian team wherever he led the teams. But a captain is as good as his team, and whatever strategies greats like Tendulkar, Jayawardene, Jahir, and also Rohit can do with this team, I don't think it will fetch any greater results. They need to start thinking about 2023 and start training some of their good players right now who are very immature or very young in their talent or in their performance, but they have lot of talent. Please try very hard from now onwards, as every time Mumbai Indians do something great in their system, training, and also evaluating players to next level. I also expect Mumbai Indians try and get minimum 4 to 5 bowlers who are good enough with whatever way they can try. Maybe they can exchange some players with some other teams, and in bargain they can get those who have some extra bowlers or the rules whatever it say. I always wanted teams to play as professional as they can and involve as they are like Mumbai Indians, but unfortunately their captain could not back his form and not able to score, and their team not able to restrict any team until now. So let us try some new opening partners with Ishant Kishan so that Rohit can really play big innings towards the end with his great hitting abilities and also reduce pressure of opening and giving a good beginning. I also feel a player who brought at 8,000 or so should be given entire season chance to get himself to the conditions and how they can play in India and accustomed to the pitches. If we start changing with one or two chances, they cannot become really good and can judge the way they need to bat or bowl. I also wanted in remaining season Mumbai Indian should give charge to their young people at least 2 matches in remaining 7 or 8 matches. I expect with all their supporters we will get a great balance and great ability coming up, and at least this team will come up with a lot of practice and coming out with the qualities they are in, which they could not explore this time around. Whatever we convince ourselves, I feel as a staunch Mumbai Indian supporter, they need to have good bowlers, they have great balance in their batting, and if they can have one or two good all-rounders or make the present all-rounders very good by end of this season and early beginning of next season with long schedules of practicing, that I don't know if they can arrange and they can help the busy players who will be playing all around the world. But they need lot of effort and lot of effort and thinking cap going on towards making it as great and as emerging and as capable as they known to be, and they should come with vengeance for remaining games of this year and come like a champion in 2022, sorry, in 2023, to give something great to followers like me. There are crores of followers, and I think many people still backing because we love the team and we want them to give back whatever they are capable for remaining matches, and definitely prepare and come for 2023, wherein we will try to take these bad memories from now onwards and enjoy future seasons with greatest victories they expected to get from the beginning of today's match to the future. And we want their performance as good as they done in their 5 champion titles which they only got. If I am wrong in some of my ideas, I feel like changing myself, that as a team I always feel Mumbai Indians should do very well and back their team and get some better balance. All the best Mumbai Indians, their management, their team, and also total support staff for doing their best and coming forward with vengeance in doing lot better. I have to really feel they will do lot of experiments in remaining matches and try to win as many matches as they can and find out some talent by ending of this season. Best wishes always to Mumbai Indians owners, think tank and players for doing very well. Best wishes. Signing off, Ravi Rao. Thank you.